Hi guys and welcome on GSM ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to turn on vibrations for messages on iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max. So here is my 15 Pro Max and to enable vibrations for messages just go to settings and here tap on sounds and haptics, go down and we have here text on, just tap to go inside. And here in the top we have haptics. Tap again to go inside. And now, as you can see, we have no vibrations for messages because it's checked none. And to enable vibration, just tap if you want here. This is synchronized by default. And now we have a vibration, and also you can choose from here. We have some standard vibrations, accent, alert, heartbreak, and others. Okay, I will let synchronize the default vibration, and then just tap here to go back. And as you can see now, haptics are default, and you have vibration on the messages. Go back again. And that's all. You can exit and now you will have a vibration. So I hope this video to be useful and see you to the next. Have a nice day.